Good day, my name is Bekzhanov Namazbek. I am 4 years information system student and now I work as a software engineer on the Colvir banking system at Bank CenterCredit. In this video, I will share my internship experience. First, I will introduce about agenda, company and my role. Then I will explain my main tasks, show how we process transactions step by step, walk through by through, and the case studies. List the tools I use and describe the few challenges, how we solved them, and finish with my personal takeaways and the next goals. So about Bank CenterCredit. Bank CenterCredit is one of the major second-tier banks in Kazakhstan. We use as a system called Colvir for transactions, which is our core banking platform. Colvir handles everything from customer accounts to transactions history and the reporting. Introduction and the work overview. I am full-time internship, 40 hours per week. I was a part of the Colvir core banking system team working on real production level systems. So my role and team, I am on the second line for Colvir. Our team fixes technical issues inside the system. We work closely with the customer support team, first line, it's called first line, and escalate tricky problems like incident, bug fixing, resolution in transactions. Problems are from them, and we also coordinate with the development team and third line for deeper code changes and for fixing bugs. So key responsibilities. My main tasks include writing and optimizing SQL and the PL/SQL code to make the database fast and reliable, setting up and watching background jobs, triggers, and systems like EXTTRN and the CAPLNAPIQUEue that import the processing incoming transactions, automating reports in Power BI so managers get live dashboards instead of manual spreadsheets, logging all tasks in Jira and documenting steps in Confluence, responding to outages or bugs, running quick SQL scripts or patches for bug fixing or incident resolution, and guiding first-line support on what to do. Transaction processing pipeline has how our customer payment moves through our system. The customer's card transaction goes into PS24, our external processing engine. PS24 exports batches of transactions into Colvir's import tables. Import jobs named like CAPLNAPIQUEUE Infant 100 pick up those transactions in groups by type, bonds, utilities, etc. Process jobs CAPLNAPIQUEUE exec 100 apply business rules, credits, debits, fees either right away or via queue, like divided by asynchronous and asynchronous job. It will work like parallel sessions, dividing transactions into multiple sessions. Processed results are saved back in Colvir for account updates and reporting. Case study for here, I am checking our transactions from PS24 transaction system, like which transaction errored. We had delays, a lot of transactions because all transaction types run same job. So tools and technologies, what I use it. It's dashboard problems and issues on Colvir-based dashboard, where incidents and all problems comes in process of upload and transaction from PS24 to our Colvir automated banking system. So here, technologies and tools I use it. Oracle for our main database and the PostgreSQL for reporting. PL/SQL scripts to query and update data. Excel for reporting, dashboarding, and some transformation and analytics. Power BI for dashboarding and reporting. Git for version control. Jira for task dividing and completing tasks. Confluence for documenting. PL/SQL Developer, it's my main tool, main idea. And the SOAP UI for testing XML APIs, and the Beaver for some querying and the SQL optimization, and the Colvir banking system. So challenges and solutions, like inconsistent data issues, resolved through the development of cleanup scripts, patches, and the personal learning and next steps, enhancing PL/SQL and the PL/SQL skills and understanding of pipeline orchestration. Future goals include learning like our other systems like Apache Airflow and the dbt for advanced data processing. So thank you for attention. That's all over on my job.